Ask yourself this: what miracle are you waiting for in your life? Each of us, in our own unique journey, waits patiently for a miracle. For some, it's the miracle of health, a physical restoration that breathes new life into tired bodies. For others, it's the miracle of abundance, a financial windfall that promises security and comfort. There are those who yearn for the miracle of love, of finding a soulmate, while others seek the quiet miracle of peace, of a calm mind and a content heart. Regardless of its form, a miracle is something we yearn for, something we hope will come our way. But the first and most critical step in attracting your miracle is specificity. Be clear about what you want. Is it health, wealth, love, peace? Identify it, name it, visualize it. Believe you are ready to have it. This is the first step towards attracting your miracle. Have you ever wondered how the universe works to deliver what we want? It's a fascinating thought, isn't it? It's like there's a cosmic mailman, tirelessly working to deliver to our doorsteps the parcels of our dreams and desires. But how does this all really work? Theories abound, but today, let's delve into the teachings of Abraham and Esther Hicks. They propose that the universe isn't just a silent, passive observer. No, it's an active participant, working tirelessly to deliver what we desire. So how does this process work? According to the Hicks, it's all about alignment. They suggest that when our thoughts, feelings, and actions are in harmony with our desires, we are in alignment with the universe. This alignment, they propose, is the key to manifesting our desires. But there's more. The Hicks also introduce the concept of vibrational energy. They argue that everything in the universe, including our thoughts and emotions, is made up of energy that vibrates at different frequencies. Our desires, they suggest, have their own unique vibrational frequencies. When we think or feel in ways that match the vibrational frequency of our desires, we are said to be in vibrational alignment with them. This alignment, they propose, creates a kind of magnetic attraction between us and our desires, drawing them into our experience. Let's picture this in action. Imagine you're tuning a radio. You turn the dial until you find the frequency that matches the station you want to listen to. Suddenly, the static gives way to clear sound. That's vibrational alignment in action. The Hicks suggest that the same principle applies to the universe. When we align our thoughts, feelings, and actions with the vibrational frequency of our desires, we tune into the station of the universe that's broadcasting our desires. And just like with the radio, the static of life gives way to the clear sound of our manifested desires. To sum up, the Hicks propose that the universe is an infinite source of energy, constantly working to fulfill our desires. They suggest that by aligning ourselves vibrationally with our desires, we can tap into this energy and draw our desires into our experience. The universe is an infinite source of energy, constantly working to fulfill our desires. Isn't that a comforting thought? Quantum physics takes this concept of energy a step further. Now, don't worry if you're not a physicist. We're going to break this down into bite-sized, digestible pieces. At the heart of quantum physics, there's this idea that everything in the universe, from the smallest particle to the largest galaxy, is both particle and wave at the same time. This dual nature suggests that everything in the universe is in a state of potential, waiting to manifest into reality. This is where energy comes in. Energy in its simplest form is the ability to do work, to cause change. And in the quantum world, energy is constantly moving, constantly changing. This flow of energy is what animates the universe, what brings potential into reality. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Our thoughts, our desires, they're not just abstract things. They're real and they're energy. When we focus our thoughts and desires, we're creating a kind of energy wave. And quantum physics suggests that this energy wave can interact with the energy of the universe. Imagine a pool of water. If you drop a pebble into it, it creates ripples that spread out, influencing the water far from where the pebble dropped. In much the same way, our thoughts and desires create ripples in the energy of the universe. The implications of this are profound. It suggests that we're not just passive observers in the universe. We're active participants. Our thoughts and desires, they're not just hopes and dreams. They're real, they're energy, and they have the potential to influence the universe. So when we talk about attracting miracles, about shaping our reality, we're not just speaking metaphorically. We're talking about a real process, one that's grounded in the principles of quantum physics. We're talking about the power of thought, the power of desire, the power of energy. Our thoughts and desires, they actually have the power to shape this energy, to shape our reality. But how do we harness this power? How do we shape our reality? Let's take a moment to consider meditation. It's not just a trendy buzzword, but a powerful tool that can help clear our minds for better focus. Meditation is like a deep, cleansing breath for the mind, helping to sweep away the dust of daily distractions and stress. Meditation is a practice that has been used for thousands of years, across countless cultures. It's not about turning off your thoughts or trying to empty your mind. Instead, it's about focusing your attention and eliminating the stream of jumbled thoughts that may be crowding your mind and causing stress. When we meditate, we open up space in our minds. This space can then be filled with a clear vision of what we desire, whether it's better health, financial prosperity, or improved relationships. By creating a clear mental image of what we want, we can better channel our desires and thoughts into the universe. Think of it like tuning a radio. If you want to listen to a specific station, you need to adjust the dial until you find the right frequency. Similarly, when we meditate, we adjust our mental frequency to match that of our desires. This alignment allows us to send a clearer, stronger signal into the universe, enhancing our ability to attract what we want. Furthermore, meditation helps us to become more aware of our thoughts and feelings. It allows us to recognize any negative patterns that may be blocking our path to manifesting our desires. By becoming more aware, we can actively choose thoughts and feelings that align with our goals, thereby increasing our chances of achieving them. So you see, meditation is more than just a practice. It's a tool that can help us to shape our reality by clarifying our desires, aligning our energy, and sending a clear, strong message to the universe about what we want. Meditation, it's more than just a practice, it's a tool to shape our reality. So, how does this all connect to the miracle you're waiting for? Well, it's simple. You are an integral part of this universe, a piece of the grand puzzle. This means that the energy constantly moving around you, the very essence of quantum physics we've discussed, is also within you. You're not just a passive observer waiting for a miracle. You're an active participant, a co-creator of your reality. Understanding the universe's process, the flow of energy, and the power of meditation can help attract the miracles you seek. When you grasp these concepts, you can begin to shape your world and attract the things you desire most. Think of it like tuning a radio. Your thoughts and feelings are the frequency, and the universe is the radio station. If you're tuned into the frequency of lack, fear, or doubt, that's the kind of reality you're going to experience. But when you tune into the frequency of abundance, health, love, that's when miracles happen. However, this isn't about wishful thinking or daydreaming. It's about aligning your inner world, your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs, with the outcome you want. It's about being specific in detail about what you want, whether it's for health, finances, or for the people you care about. Meditation can be a powerful tool to help clear the mind and better focus your energy. It's like cleaning the lens through which you view the world, allowing you to see and attract the miracles you desire. But remember, the most important aspect of this process is belief. You must believe that you are ready to receive your miracle. You must believe in your power to attract it. So what's the role you play in attracting miracles? It's simple. You are the miracle. You are the creator. You are the one who aligns with the energy of the universe to bring forth the miracles you seek. Believe in your power, believe in your miracle. Remember, your thoughts and desires have power. We've journeyed together through this understanding of miracles, how the universe conspires to fulfill our desires, and the science behind the energy constantly moving around us. We've touched upon the teachings of Abraham and Esther Hicks, and delved into how meditation can clear our minds for better focus, allowing us to become active participants in attracting miracles. It's essential to be specific about what you want, whether it's health, financial abundance, or blessings for the people you care about. The universe is listening, and you are ready to receive. So let's continue this journey of discovery together. Your participation is crucial for our shared growth and understanding. When you subscribe and leave a comment, you're not just sharing your thoughts, you're contributing to the collective wisdom of our community. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Your thoughts are important to us. Till next time, believe in your power, believe in your miracle.